Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. Here are the highlights. Federal High Court Abuja denies bail to suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari and 4 others. Court of Appeal sets aside judgment declaring attack on Sunday Igboho illegal. An unknown number of persons trapped in uncompleted 2-story building in Kano. Nigeria's full importation woes to end mid next year. The Federal High Court Abuja has denied bail to suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari and 2 others. Mr. Kyari and 4 other defendants had in their bail application argued that new facts relating to the Kuje prison break and alleged threats to their lives warranted their fresh application. In response, the NDLEA raised an objection, arguing that they have not demonstrated how the new issues will not make them jump bail. In his ruling, Justice Emeka Nwete agreed with the prosecution that the defendants have not demonstrated how they will not jump bail and interfere with the administration of criminal justice. A threat to life in a detention facility is not a factor for granting bail. The prosecution and its counter-affidavit had submitted that Mr. Kyari and his co-defendants are flight risks as they would tamper with the money laundering investigations and the witnesses lined up for the trial. A court of appeal sitting in Oyo State has set aside the judgment which declared the attack on the house of Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, illegal. The court also nullified the 20 billion naira exemplary and aggravated damages awarded against the Department of State Security for the attack, describing it as outrageous. Justice Muslim Hassan, who gave the judgment, said the Oyo State High Court lacked jurisdiction on the matter, adding that the judge should not have awarded damages based on his personal parameters. Oyo State High Court in September 2021 had declared the raid conducted by the Department of State Services on the residence of Sunday Igboho in Ibadan as illegal. Justice Ladira Akintola, in a judgment, had ordered the DSS to pay a sum of 20 billion naira to Igboho as exemplary and aggravated damages. The DSS operatives in July 2021 invaded Igboho's home, leading to the arrest of 12 of his aides, while the Yoruba Nation agitator managed to escape. An unidentified number of persons have been trapped in an uncompleted 2-story building in Beirut Road Mobile Phone Market in Kano. Rescue operations have begun by officials of the Kano State Fire Service, Federal Road Safety Corps, and the police. An eyewitness described the situation as worrisome, calling for quick response to avert loss of many lives. Nigeria's fuel importation woes may end mid-next year when the Dangote refineries are completed and the federal government restores the existing government-owned refineries to 90% installed capacity. This was disclosed by the Group Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian National Petroleum Limited at the 49th session of the State House briefing organized by the Presidential Communications Team at the Presidential Villa. He also said the country currently loses about 700,000 barrels of crude oil to theft and pipeline vandalism. This time, the NNPC has a somewhat realistic timeline on when where full importation into the country will end. Full importation has been the government's only option to meet domestic consumption. But Abba Kyari, the Group Chief Executive Officer of the NNPC, believes the much-anticipated completion of the Dangote refinery will complement the output from the rehabilitated government-owned refineries.